Hi guys, I'm in the bird room and here's Miss Baileyana. Say hi, Bailey. Today we're gonna do a cage tour in the bird room of all their toys. So we're gonna look at everything they've got and just kind of be nosy. And just basically show you all the different kinds of toys there are out there that you can purchase for your birdies. So, we are 2018 and there is no reason why Parrot should be bored because there are so many toys to keep them busy. There's something for every birdie. So here we go, let's do it. At Baileyana's crib right now. So in her cage, she has all kinds of toys, different perches that are customized for her lifestyle. So we have a flat perch, and it's a rough flat perch because Bailey's beak gets really long and her nails get really long, and because she has congestive heart failure, it is really hard to get her groomed. I mean, basically, a grooming can kill her. So, what I do to keep her nails controlled and her beak controlled, I have a rough perch, and then I also have file perches, and I've got another rough flat perch over there. I've got special wrap to keep her feet comfy, and that in there is actually a rope perch. We have Planet Pleasure toys. We've got Jungle toys, more Planet Pleasure toys. So we have toys for her to chew up, we have toys for her to shred, and we have these leather strips, safe leather strips, because she just likes to chew leather, and then a bunch of bells. She likes bells. Bailey is a smaller bird, so these bells are okay for Bailey. These bells are not always okay for every bird. So you got to be smart. This back here, this is dangerous. So if you have a bird with a big beak, they could swallow this. Bailey, I know Bailey is safe. I always check her cage. And this is her setup. And that's her little sleepy hut that she sleeps in at night. So that is Bailey's cage. There's a lot she can do in there. This is my African gray Casey. Casey, I say it in every video, she is a rescue parrot. I adopted her from Parrot Education and Adoption Center. And as you can see, she's a plucker. It's something that we have to constantly work on. And so I picked different toys for Casey, and she's an interesting bird. She likes her toys on the outside of her cage. Now, I always keep Casey loose. I have no problems with her. She is my most well-behaved bird. And this right here, Maui, he's the opposite, but I love him. Maui, you're a handful. I adore him. But he's a handful. He's a geek. Of course he's a handful. It keeps it exciting. So this is Casey's cage. This is also from Funbird. So I put this together. I ordered the different materials and I put it together. There's so much happening. I stuffed it with goodies. Here's the twine ball. Is there a fight? Hey! Whoa! You. That was not nice, Puffy. Are you okay, Tommy? Whoa. So, as I was saying, coyotes are, did you just nip me? Welcome to the bird room, guys. Nothing like doing a bird room video. We've got fights, we've got screaming birds. This is everyday life in Parrot Playhouse. I wonder how much editing I'm going to have to do. I might leave it. I don't know. You know, if you're thinking about getting a coyote, you should watch this video. Tour Victoria Cockatoo's cage, and as you can see, she has a really big cage. She needs a big cage. She's a cockatoo. Cockatoos need big cages. So I have all kinds of toys in this cage. So there's foraging toys. This has wood and treats inside of it. This is another jungle toy. This is from Funbird. Basically, no, this is a jungle toy. This is Funbird. It came with a bunch of different products that I ordered, and I stuck this toy together myself, and I put little treats in there. More jungle toys back there. As you can see, there's a flat perch, and I had to stick a metal flat perch there because she chews everything up. But also, look at this. I love this banana leaves. all wrapped into this, and I put little treats inside, and that's also from Funbird. Now, there is one thing you do not see in Victoria's cage, and that's Chain. Chain. Her beak is really, really powerful, and it's something that concerns me with Chain. A bird can get their beak stuck between chain. So, a big bird like Victoria. So I use sisal rope. All her toys that are in her cage are made out of sisal rope, and that's what they attach to the link. Now, these links, see that? That's no bueno. We want it to be nice and tight. So every morning I do a cage inspection. I do not want to see these links like this, open. What? You're crazy. I do not want to see links open like this because she can get her beak stuck. So it's important that you make sure these links are secure in your bird's cage. Another thing I have in Victoria's cage is this non-stick Band-Aid wrap. I wrap all her perches. What are you doing in there? Now I'm going to show you different types of links. So these type of links are safe for birds like Victoria Cockatoo size, right? Like her beak, yes, because she can't break this open. Dangerous links, this, the ones that open like that, super dangerous, look at that. And it's also pear-shaped, so your bird can get its leg stuck in there. Throw them away, don't use them. Another super dangerous link is this one. These things right here, they actually come undone. Your bird can swallow them, or once again, they can get them stuck in the bottom bill. Don't let your big birds have these. I let my kayaks have them, but I don't let my bigger birds have them. But also, every bird's an individual, so your kayak has superpowers and they can turn anything, any toy and make it dangerous. Throw it away. Don't use it, don't risk it. Now, I'm gonna show you one of Bailey's toys. She loves these bells, and because she's a small bird, they're okay for her. But this bell, when she chomps down on it, leaves the metal exposed, the metal chain. The dangers of a metal chain is your bird can strangle themselves on it. So what I do is I wrap that non-stick wrap, that Band-Aid wrap on it, and there's the little piece of the leather right there, and that way she can't wrap that around her neck. So that's what I do to make their toys last a little longer. Right? Of course, always supervise your bird. Make sure that they're not eating that wrap. I've never had any of my birds do that, but every bird's an individual. And any safe toy can become a dangerous toy. So, toys inspection every morning, super important. Right, Bailey? Yes. Baby and Puffy. So this is Puffy's cage. And as you can see, there is a lot to do in this cage. There are perches of all different kinds in this cage. There are foraging toys. There are shredding toys. Funbird. I ordered a bunch of these products from Funbird. So it came with cardboard. It came with sisal rope. It came with these little cardboard rings that I absolutely love that the birds can chew up. So I put that in there. Up here I have boxes that I used and I don't need anymore. Dixie cups that do not have plastic, so I can shrink them up like that, put goodies inside, and they play with it. Look at all that activity. There's all kinds of stuff. Also, more Planet Pleasure bird toys. There we go. I love this brand. Also, more jungle toys right there. These are great because this is yucca. You can make little holes and stick little sunflower seeds, only for treats. So this is Puffy's layout. He has a flat perch back there so he can take a little load off of his feces. There he is playing with one of the toys. Yes. Is there a goodie in there? You gonna get that goodie? Yeah, you see, they love it. So when you're gonna put a goodie in there, and actually there's a Kai-Tech bait bite inside that he's gonna get into, and just make sure they see you doing that. They love it. I don't like fights, but when they happen, I love sticking them on my channel because this is like the reality of having birds. It is chaos. Like, you can't turn away for a second because they get into everything, and when they get into something, they can get seriously injured or they can take a toe off another bird or rip a beak off. I mean, this is for real. It's unfortunate that Puffy made it over here. Usually, you know, I have them locked up. I'm really careful when I'm filming. But when they're loose, I'm always supervising. I don't even leave this room for a second and leave these birds all loose with each other because they're waiting. They're always waiting for you to turn around because that's how smart they are. And they're just waiting to pounce on the other birds. So those videos that you see on YouTube, Facebook, where it looks like everything is in control, like, oh, this is my bird. Everything's just so perfect. It's lies! It's total lies! Having parrots is chaos! You got a messy beak. You got a messy beak. And to the other side of the bird room, there is their Manzanita Tree. It's huge. People are always asking me where I got it. I got it many years at a pet shop, and that pet shop is no longer in business. It is absolutely spectacular. I love it. My birds love it. I hang all kinds of toys on it. We have more jungle toys on that Manzanita tree, so it's awesome. Also have a jungle toy Manzanita branch hanging from the ceiling. We are in a small bird room, so I try to make the most of every inch of space in here. Hey, how are you, Thomas? You doing okay? Quench Cage. Maui is an ex-plucker, or he still kind of plucks once in a while, so I have to keep him super busy. And this is basically what we got going on. Safe Bird leather strips from Fun Bird. We have all different types of natural materials here that he can play with. More Dixie cups that have no wax on the outside. This is what he sleeps on at night. His perches are also wrapped with that non-stick Band-Aid wrap. Also, I made him this from Fun Bird. I ordered the parts and I put that together. And so that's basically Maui's cage. He has a lot going on in there. Different size perches. This is also from Planet Pleasures, that big toy right there. He loves that thing. This is fantastic for pluckers. That just keeps them busy. They clean that instead. Victoria, what are you doing? That's Bailey's toy. You're gonna make your mommy go broke destroying Bailey's toys like that. This is Quench Cage. Quench Cage is small because he doesn't live in it. Right, Quinn? No? This is my bird that is like my invisible bird. You never know he's even in here. Aww. He's such a sweetheart. He too is a rescue. I adopted him from Peace. And this is pretty much what he does when he's not trying to fight with Tommy. They're kind of rivals, but at the same time they love each other. And Quinn's a lilac. Are you okay? I think he's trying to play dead right now to hide from the kayaks. Everybody's scared of the kayaks. We hope you found this video fun and educational. And if you want more Parrot Playhouse excitement, follow us on our Facebook and Instagram. The link will be below, where I post daily updates of what is going on in these guys' lives. Super fun. Follow us. I would love to meet you. We would love to see you on Parrot Playhouse on Facebook and Instagram. We love you guys. Bye. You say goodbye. Good girl.